He is adamant this year's Olympics will still be held in Tokyo, Japan, even as there seems to be a surge in numbers of cases of the COVID-19 pandemic. Team Kenya continues to prepare for the event that was to be held last year but had to be postponed. Nok got a shot in the arm from Kenya charity sweepstake for Team Kenya preparations.
People like to watch football, people like to see athletes. It's all over the world. It's something common for the whole population of the world to be part of it. The second importance in sport, it's encourage you to train. It's encourage you to have better healthy life. So it's two things. One, it's important, it's good for your soul. The second one is for your health.
Na venye wameamua kutusaidia, tumesema ni asante na waendelee kutusaidia hivyo. Sisi kama upcoming athlete ndio tuweze kujisaidia na kujisaidia kwa maisha yenye iko mbele.
It's going to go a long way for us, especially in supporting the athlete with things like allowances, training facilities and equipment. So it's a big boost for us, and I believe everyone will be happy about it, yes.
Now, Cameroonian Solomon Banga set a trend of defender scoring as his